Alright, so in this one we're going to find the distance between the 2 points. We have radical 5 and negative radical 3 for the first one, and for the second one we have 4 radical 5 and negative 7 radical 3. So what you're going to do, you're going to plug this into the distance formula, and then distance formula is d equals with radical sign. Inside the parentheses you have x2 minus x1, and the whole thing is squared, plus y2 minus y1 with that squared. So we're going to plug these numbers into the distance formula. So you have 4 radical 5 minus radical 5, and outside the parentheses the whole thing is going to be squared, plus negative 7 radical 3, plus radical 3 on the outside, it's squared. So we're going to combine the like terms with nothing being on the outside. We're going to act that as 1, so it's going to be 4 minus 1, which is 3, so it's going to be 3 radical 5, and then for here it's going to be negative 7 plus positive 1, so it's going to be negative 6. So we're going to have this right here. So as I said, 3 radical 5 with parentheses and it's squared right here, plus negative 6 radical 3 squared on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and use the square root right here. So 3 squared equals 9, and then you have negative 6 squared equals 36. The radical and the square root kind of cancel out each other. So radical 5 squared is just 5, and radical 3 squared is 3. So we're going to go ahead and multiply the x1 and y1 and then x2 and y2. So you have 9 times 5 plus 36 times 3, which gets you 45 plus 108, which leaves you with 153. And so we're going to factor it, and so the numbers that equal it is 9 and 17. 9 acting as a perfect square for 3, and 17 isn't a perfect square, so it's going to be 3 radical 17. So the D is going to equal 3 radical 17, and that's your answer.